store is at Cars and Coffee down the road at Butler Motorsports. So if you haven't yet, check out that video. A lot of cars and trucks are cruising in from there to check out the open house. We're out here at Repliclassics today. They make body panels for C10s, brand new replacement, OEM style. We're going to check it out. They're having an open house. We're going to see, should we replace some body panels on our truck or should we fix it? Don't know what's cheaper, the bodywork or just get a brand new panel and have it fresh and new. Don't forget, please hit that like button, subscribe, follow us along for the journey on the C10 build. Every time you hit that like button, it helps us reach more people, and I will link all the information at Repliclassics below if you're interested in replacement body panels. We're going to check out some of the cars in the parking lot before we go inside. Wow. That is sitting pretty. If you're new to the channel, we go to a lot of car shows and events around Tennessee, Alabama, Bowling Green, Kentucky, all over, and we're looking to go farther this summer. More events coming soon. It's almost show time, show season. Let's go check out inside.
As of right now, that works.
Here is the example of what they make. This is 67 to 71 C10 Blazer door shell, $490. As you can see, solid direct OEM replacement. Here's a fleet side tailgate for $530. Grill 71 to 72, $580. Like I said, this place is in Bowling Green, but they will ship wherever they do installs. They do painting, repair, everything here. So guys, this is a full restoration shop, or you can buy the panels and do it yourself.
Okay. All right, that's fine. You're welcome to video
Don't forget, guys, I will link all their information below. If you're in Bowling Green, give them a call or give them a call across the U.S. If you need a panel or something replaced, pretty sure they will have you covered. They'll have your old truck looking brand new. There we go, we got some more door panels. They have a lot of stuff in stock for you guys. And it is made all here. So you're not getting any imported metals from overseas. Here's an example of the metal work you can get. Old blazer, the rockers, bedside, tailgate. It's pretty much a brand new blazer. It's got an engine repair place, engine building. More panels in the boxes, ready to go. Back outside, we're gonna check out some of the vehicles that showed up. This thing was rowdy. Yep, LT4. All right, what a great time at Repliclassics here in Bowling Green. Don't forget, check them out if you need C10 parts. We're gonna be talking to them soon about some replacement panels, all that type of stuff. Don't forget, please hit that like button, subscribe, help us reach more people every time you do that. It helps me so much and I appreciate it. Check out video on the left and the right. We're gonna head out, we're in Bowling Green. we're gonna go look at a trailer for our golf cart to bring to car shows this summer. We'll see you guys in the next video. Next weekend we have a swap meet and then Cars and Coffee in Nashville. Stay tuned for those videos. Turn that bell notification on. We'll see you guys.